Hey, it's Mark. So, if the interior of your car is not quite the color you want it to be, here's a little video showing you what I did. So, this is the rear seat, but I did the top the other day, but it's a lot easier than doing bucket seats. So, if you've never done this before, probably start with the rear seat because it is a lot easier. You'll notice it's pretty simple. These things are just held in place with something called a hog ring. It's all around the perimeter of the wiring. Okay, so this is a hog ring. These are hog ring pliers. I think I got these on Amazon a while back. I'm sure it's easy to find. And so you just load these up. This is what makes it possible. And I'll show you how to do it in a little bit. Basically, you just hook this on and give it a little squeeze and it goes around it. Okay, now it's time to take off all of the old hog rings. So I like to use something that looks like this. It has a little more leverage than a pair of dikes or wire cutters. And so you've got to go around and cut off all of the old hog rings. Okay, now it's time to start putting on the hog rings. I don't know, sometimes I like to do just a few around the perimeter to get it started. And one side's usually easier than the other, so just kind of trial and error. Okay, there it is. I think I did this one in under an hour. Again, the back seats are, I think, a lot easier to do than the front seats. So if you're gonna do it all, start in the back seat and you'll get the idea. Front seats, the front buckets, they're a little bit more difficult. Anyway, thank you.